Hey everyone, welcome back to Phoenix Kingdom. So today I'm going to change the tires for my Honda City Diesel, which is a 2014 model. So I was looking at various manufacturers to change the tires, but finally decided to go with a brand which is very good in terms of durability, construction, and overall aspects of the tire is very good. So the brand today I'm going to choose will be shown in my video further. So for the shop I'm going today is Madhu's Tire Center, which is at Wilson Garden, Bangalore. So I was looking at various shops where I could find good tires. So finally I decided to check out Madhu's Tire. So the shop is located near Wilson Garden. As you can see, this is how the shop looks like, and there were many cars, guys. So it's a nice shop. I would really recommend you guys to check it out. This is no sponsored video. So coming to the tires, as I said, I'm going to the stock 175/65 R15 and 84H is the speed rating. So I've considered Yokohama here, guys. So I've heard a lot of good things about these tires. So these tires are made for the Indian road conditions especially, and talking about its qualities, it's super road grip. It has a unique constructions. So it has a two-ply construction, thicker and inner layer, and it has wear control shoulder design, a center rib which gives it a better stability at high speeds. These tires are very silent. And coming to more technical details, guys, it features a newly developed blend polymer, so which balances durability, wear, and grip of the tire. So the compound's rigidity was also improved by increasing the blending ratio of polymer and carbon. What's more, guys, it has a reduced oil blending ratio and anti-aging additive which minimizes the tire deterioration, and it helps improving in longer life. So my stock tires were actually upsized, in fact, to 185/60, which reduced '51. Those are even smooth. Those are smoother compounds compared to the Earth One E400, but in terms of high durability, it somewhere is less compared to the E1 400, and this is where the E1 400 strikes a good balance. And here in the further process, you can see Faisal explaining the process of how the nozzles should be fitted.
इसमें 2 मार्क आता है।
Okay.
ये लो स्पॉट, ये हाई स्पॉट।
Okay.
ये येलो मार्क के इधर ही आना हमने, इसीलिए इधर
ये
डाल रहा हूँ।
इनसाइड आउटसाइड क्या तो भी है क्या?
ये इनसाइड आउटसाइड देखना होगा तो तुम्हें मैन्युफैक्चर डेट आता देखो।
हाँ।
ये इनसाइड आउटसाइड।
ओके, तो कहाँ दो तरफ की दालें देखी नहीं यार?
नहीं, मैन्युफैक्चर डेट ऊपर ही चाहता तुमने।
ओके ओके
इसीलिए ऊपर सभी में ऊपर मैन्युफैक्चर डेट।
ओके, वो आउटसाइड ही चाहता। और इसे ये येलो लाइन को,
ये येलो लाइन को, ये लो स्पॉट है, ये हाई स्पॉट है। ये हाई स्पॉट पे ना ये आना,
ये कने क्या को वैसा आना सो
ये रत्ती लो रहता है ये स्पॉट, ये हाई
Okay.
स्पॉट को घट रहता है। इसके वास्ते येलो मार्क करने
येलो मार्क कने ये नोजल फिट
ये
होना
आना
सो।
चाहिए।
Okay. So after the installation of the new tires, obviously the balancing has to be done, and balancing was done on all 4 tires. One more interesting part which I noted here is, guys, so the tire to go for the wheel alignment part, they invited me to their customer lounge. So the customer lounge was very pleasant, and they have all these pictures put up, and they treated me for a latte as well, which was refreshing. So later, when my car was ready for the wheel alignment process, so they took it near the Hunter system. So basically, guys, this is I guess a laser guided system. As you can see on the front wheels, there is a adapter which is fitted onto the wheel, and this thing over here, which is like a T in the left top of your screen, is a laser. So as part of the readings read by the adapter, it is shown on the monitor in front, and you can see the technician aligning it as per the value shown in the system. So all in all, fantastic process followed these guys, and I was super happy. ಓಕೆ ಅಣ್ಣ, ನಿಮ್ಮ ಹೆಸರು?
ಸರ್ ರಾಜನ್ ಸರ್.
ರಾಜಣ್ಣ. ಓಕೆ, ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ಅಣ್ಣ. ಸರ್ ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ಸೋ ಮಚ್. ರಾಕಿ ಸರ್ ಅವರು ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಮಧು ಟೈರ್ಸಲ್ಲಿ. ತುಂಬ ಕಸ್ಟಮರ್ ಸರ್ವಿಸು ತುಂಬ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿತ್ತು. ಎಲ್ಲೂ ಈ ಥರ ಸರ್ವಿಸು ಮಾಡಿಸಿರ್ಲಿಲ್ಲ ಟಯರು. ಸೊ ಯಾರು ಈ ಕಡೆ ಬಂದು ಐ ಡೆಫಿನೆಟ್ಲಿ ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ಮಧು ಟಯರ್ಸ್. ಒಂದ್ಸಲಿ ಬಂದು ನೋಡಿ ಹೆಂಗಿದೆ ರೆಸ್ಪಾನ್ಸು, ಆಮೇಲೆ ಡಿಸೈಡ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ನಾನು ಹೇಳ್ದೆ ಅಂತ ಬರೋಕ್ಕೆ ಹೋಗಬೇಡಿ, ಬನ್ನಿ ನೀವೇ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೀರಿಯೆನ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಸರ್ವಿಸು, ಸ್ಟಾಫ್ ಹೆಂಗಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಅಂತ, ಆಮೇಲೆ ನಿಮಗೆ ಖುಷಿ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಬಂದಿದ್ದಕ್ಕೆ. ಸೊ ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು.
Thank you very much.
Thank you
very much.
So one more important thing for all of you to note it, yes, there is warranty and guarantee which is offered on the tires, but it is your duty to get them registered on the same day which you have purchased. So The tires were manufactured in October 2021, and still guys, it is very important to register in the portal and get your warranty going. So these guys helped me with that too, so I was pretty happy in that regard. So all in all guys, Yokohama Earth 1 has a very good review, and let's see how I get on with the tires. I'll have a review coming up for that too as well after some days of usage. So thanks guys for watching, and I'll be back with more interesting videos on cricket, cars and gaming. Until next time, cheers.